Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome here. My name's Anaya, and as y'all can see by that title, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get TikTok back onto your phone if you deleted it, or how to just get it on a brand new phone. I did check the news and it says that it's basically not going to be back onto the App Store, or probably anytime soon. My wild guess would be about 2 to 4 plus months maybe. I don't know though, but it's still not in the App Store, so I'm going to be helping y'all get that back today. And y'all, let me tell y'all, first of all, I ended up deleting the TikTok app, and I make my money on there, so I was a little freaked out. I deleted it because I couldn't get back into my account. I was trying to connect like my Instagram to the bio so people could like transfer over to there, but it wouldn't work, so I logged out, and then I wasn't able to log back in. It was basically saying that it was an unrecognized device when I was literally only ever using this phone for TikTok. So yeah, I was really flustered, concerned, frightened, everything, first of all. So then I went on my other account and I went to ask the TikTok people, you know, TikTok support, how could I basically get back into my account. TikTok is literally my favorite app because they are so helpful. They are more helpful, in my opinion, than Instagram has ever been to me. So once I sent in a support ticket, they got to me within literally a day, like less than a couple hours, and they let me know that to get back into my account that was locked out because of the authentication thing, that I would have to go and confirm all this information. So I went in and I sent in all this information, and they verified my account, and I was able to get back in it. But in the statement, they told me to reset my TikTok. So you know what I did? I deleted the app. Yeah. So now at that point, I was just like, you know what, I'm throwing my hands up with it. I don't know what to do anymore. But I was able to see that I could get back in my account through the computer, and y'all, it was literally such a terrible week. My phone ended up getting cracked, and it snowed here in Atlanta, so my phone was stuck in the place for 2 days. So I didn't have my phone, an alarm, anything, and it was a whole thing. I'm not gonna get too much into it, but shout out to TikTok for helping me get back in my account, and I love y'all so much. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get it on your phone, or if you get a new phone, because you won't be able to download it on the App Store, which is crazy to me. But I don't know how updates are going to work within like the system, because they usually need updates within every couple of like, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks. So we're gonna see how that works with the app and bugs and stuff like that. TikTok Shop did come back, and you know, orders and stuff like that, so that's great. Everything's back in motion. But let's go ahead and get into this video, and I'll tell y'all how to get your accounts back on your phone. So first, we're gonna be starting off by downloading a VPN. I used this app right here. This is VPN 360. We are gonna be doing a free trial, and make sure that it is a free trial. After we download this, we are going to delete it, okay? We're not gonna pay for it. Step number 2, we're gonna go to the App Store and change our location to Canada. This is vital because TikTok is banned in America, so you're not able to get it through there. So you have to change this information if you want to be able to successfully access your accounts. After you change that, you're gonna go into step 3 and change your payment. We're gonna go ahead and update our billing address. You want to make sure that that billing address is going to be under a Canada zip code. Lucky for you, I have a zip code right here that y'all can use, and just insert it in and keep your street address so you don't have to change any of that information. And you actually don't even need to link any of your payment information. That's kind of crazy how that works, but you don't. And the screen recording will be right here as long as I talk, so it'll be showing y'all how I did this. After you go through that, make sure to reset your phone. Resetting your phone is vital because it's gonna refresh everything and let it know that it's time to, you know, like reboot, and all the information is gonna be into play. It's probably not gonna work if you don't reset your phone. Also, disclaimer, I heard this may not work if you have Apple Music. Not sure why. I think it might be because the way that it's like subscribed or something like that. I'm not an expert at this. I'm just a messenger, but still try, because who knows, it might have been a bug a couple days ago and it got fixed. And also, if you want to do this on an Android phone, I would say you have to, it's a lot more complicated, I'm not gonna lie. I tried to do it on my Samsung, and it's complicated. You have to go in through the website and make sure you change it, and you can only change your region every like 2 months, so it'll be stuck in Canada for 2 months. So if that's your main phone, I don't really know if I'd recommend doing that. So yeah, the next step is going to be to turn off all of your location settings. So this will turn off your location for everyone who has it. So if you don't want any problems, I would advise you to let somebody know what you're doing, okay? After you do that, make sure that you put your phone up on airplane mode and put on the Wi-Fi only. And this is literally so funny to me, low-key. This is my canon event, because I used to have like Musical.ly, Flappy Bird, all those apps that got like banned and canceled. Like, why did I delete the app? I don't know. I don't know. And even like when I was gonna go look for like another phone, it still wouldn't have TikTok on it anyways. So this is how we gotta do it, guys. Let's get back on track. So after that, you're gonna go to the VPN app and make sure that's clicked on Canada. I am so sorry, I'm at the United Kingdom. I must be obsessed with Canada, sorry. So now you're gonna close the App Store and then you're gonna open it back up and you're gonna download TikTok. Yes, she will be right there. If you're logged into everything correctly, you will see the TikTok app. You are gonna download that thing, okay? Download it. After you download that app, log into your TikTok. You really don't even need to log in yet, but be safe. Log into it. After you download the app, there you go. Log into the TikTok. We're here. We love it. We're glad to be back. Hey, hooray! So now, the important part. Make sure that you go back to the App Store. Change your region back to the United States if you're in the United States. And don't forget to cancel that subscription for VPN 360. I think it's like $12 a month or something like that. We don't need it. So unless you want to keep it, you can keep it, but the TikTok app will still work efficiently without the VPN after it's fully downloaded and logged in into your phone. So I hope that this was super helpful, and sorry I kept going off on little tangents, but like I'm just so excited to be able to share this with y'all. And I did try it like 3 times to make sure that it would actually work for y'all, because I didn't want to say something that's probably not gonna work. So it is verified, honey, and we are here. And we are back on TikTok. Now I will say disclaimer, annoyingly so, yeah, the views are down. The views are down. There's a lot of people who can't get back in their accounts, and the whole ban and coming back, it just really messed up the algorithm. So yeah, I'm still looking at videos on my For You page from weeks ago that are resurfacing, don't know why. But we'll just see how that plays out. I know it's like really stressful for people who are like, you know, enjoy this app. This app, you know, takes a lot of stress off of them. And you know, people that make money on it, like it's actually really a big deal. So yeah, hopefully things will go back smoother in a couple of who even knows at this point. Hopefully things get better, honey. But yeah, I'm glad to have the app back, and we're just gonna see how everything plays out. So if you like this video, please make sure to check out my other videos. I have some how-to videos on how to make Instagram Reels, because I'm probably gonna be shifting over to Instagram too as well. Kind of like glad the ban happened, because it's like, okay girl, you need to like focus on a lot more things. Even though I was still posting on Instagram, like you need to be posting on every single platform and saving all of your content. I was literally going crazy before the ban, saving all of my like content so I could resurface it. So yeah, I'll be making some videos on how to repurpose your content and everything like that when it comes to social media. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please leave a comment and a like, of course, and feel free to subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see you on the next video. Happy scrolling.